Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. I hope everybody had a fantastic week. Today I want to share with you a small little haul that I did from Daiso this week. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's really small, nothing big. So I went there on my lunch break, so I had to go really quick. But I did see that they're pulling out their Christmas things and putting out new things. And then look at how cute. This was $2 actually. And this is a 10-pack. Yeah, a 10-pack of Kuma tissue paper. Isn't that so cute? So yeah, for those of you who don't know what Daiso is, it's this whole store is $1.50, but like in the last year or two, some of the items have been changing to like $2, $3, and they even have things up to $6. So it used to be a dollar store, but the prices are getting up there. So this 10-pack was $2, and you know, $2 for a 10-pack of Kuma tissue paper, you know, I mean, that's not that much. So anyways, I purchased this, and then they also had brand new Kuma hand sanitizer. So I did pick it up. Look at how stinking cute that is. So they had these, and then they also had other colors and I think they were like other animals or whatever, other Sanrio characters, but there wasn't any Hello Kitty, but they were, a lot of them were the Kuma little guy or girl. I'm not sure if Kuma is a guy or girl, but they are aloe vera scented hand sanitizers, and these were $2 each. Like I said, they had different ones, different colors that I did not pick up. So these are the ones that I picked up. And then I saw these super cute keychains. Look at how cute. So I thought this would be cute to throw on some dangles on here. So I purchased these two colors. These were the only two colors that they had. And they're lollipops. So I purchased that. And then I wanted to share with you some other things. They had this cute cherry keychain. I want to say keychain, but it's a keychain. Look at how cute that is. And they had different colors, but this is the one that I picked up. They got the cherry, and then they had these really cute, these are hair accessories, but they say that they're die cut clip sets. So I'm going to show you what I did with them, but first I want to show you which ones I picked up. So they have these ones that have the 2-piece. Super cute. Then here's this one. Sorry for the glare. This has the cherry. And I think that's a pig. In a donut, what do you call these things? Tubey things for the swimming pool. So that one. And then this bunny in a, I think that's a drink because it has a straw. There's that one. These pancake teddy bears, I guess that's what it looks like. Here's another one. Here's another one. And so the reason why I picked these up, because you can see it says mini, well, which one is it? Die cut. It says die cut clip set, right? So what I did was I bought them because I wanted to see if I could take off the die cuts. So what I did with this one, I mean, you can keep them on the little clips or you can take them off. It's up to you, and you can use them to clip like your packaging, like when you send some Happy Mail out for the bags and stuff. So this is the clip, and then these are, they popped off so easily. These are the little die cuts or cabochons that were on the clips. Isn't that super cute? So that's why I bought these, because I'm going to detach them. Maybe. We'll see. You can either detach them or clip them on a Happy Mail. So I did that one. And then here's another one. The clipping part is black. And then here are the bigger die cuts or cabochons, whatever you want to call them. Isn't that super cute? So that's the reason why I bought these, because I was thinking just to pop them off and put them on projects. So that is all, but what I wanted to show you also is I seen Bona post this. It's a mini paper shredder to make your own paper shred, so you don't have to buy it. So they had a blue one, and they also have a black one, and this is what it looks like. I think this was $6 at my Daiso. As many times as I have been to Daiso, I have never seen this. Probably because I don't really look in that section. And it's like where the pencils are. I don't really look in that section. This comes in two colors, the black and the blue. And it is a manual paper cutter. So again, Bona, thank you for this idea. Actually, I have used my heavy duty one at work and have used the paper shredder there and used the shred from that big heavy duty paper shredder. So I have used it before, but I didn't know that they had this small one. I do have a I can't talk this morning. I do have this handheld one that I received a long time ago at one of the stamp conventions. And basically it looks like this, and what you do is you put it through here and then you just do this. So I have that. So, but I find that this one works a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I use it. So let me just put this to the side. So this is what the blue one looks like. Here's my hand. Look at how cute. That's why I was super sold when I seen Bona post this, because I mean, anything small, cute is just, it's irresistible. So it says here, don't put a crying baby through here. Don't put credit cards, paper clips, or your hand through there. Okay, just in case you happen to have a pancake hand that could fit in there. But anyways, it comes the handle like this. Just attach that, and look at how simple. So I wouldn't, you know, like I said, this is not a heavy duty one. This is a handheld one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did so far. So you can put your cardstock in here. Here's some, and this is really good, you guys, for if you have like cardstock just laying around, like your extra pieces. You can just use it and make shred. So I'm gonna put this in here, and all you have to do, let's see, is just, it goes in so easily. And that's what it looks like. So this is my cardstock that I have. Look at all that. Or you can use your tissue paper. I prefer tissue paper over cardstock. So there's my tissue paper. And the tissue paper is a lot easier. You want to make sure that you hold this down though, otherwise it'll pop off. See? Look at how easy that is. Super easy. You open it up, and there is your paper shred. So you could use your Valentine paper shred, your Christmas paper shred, whatever paper shred that you want to use. And this comes in handy. I love it. So, Bona, thanks again for the idea. And thanks for finding this, because like I said, no matter how many times I have went to Daiso since they've been open, I have never, ever seen this before. Never. So I'm glad that Bona showed this. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have seen it. So thank you so much. So that is my haul video from Daiso. I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.